All right, so now that we know what a monomial and a polynomial both are, we're going to go ahead and solve equations that involve them, or problems. So here we have negative 3x squared times this polynomial, which is 7x squared minus x plus 4. What we're going to do with this is multiply this monomial by this polynomial. So we're going to do negative 3x squared times 7x squared, right? Minus negative 3x squared times x plus negative 3x squared times 4. So that gives us negative 21x to the fourth, because remember when we're multiplying two exponents that have the same base, which is just x, then we add them together. So minus negative 3x cubed, because we're adding this x2 plus x1, so 2 plus 1 is 3, plus negative 3x squared times 4, which is just going to give us 12 negative x squared. So since all of these are raised to different powers, this is as simple as it gets. So our answer for this is just going to be negative 21x to the fourth plus 3x to the third minus 12x squared. So now we're going to simplify expressions. So same thing, we're multiplying a polynomial by a monomial, and then we're going to combine some terms. So we're going to go here. So negative 4x squared times 2x plus 2x times 5x minus 5. Let's do it like this. Plus negative 5 times 2x cubed plus negative 5 times 20. So negative 4x squared times 2x is going to give us negative 8x to the third plus 2x and 5x is going to give us 10x squared, because we added x plus x. So 1 plus 1 in our exponents. Negative 5 times 2x squared is going to give us negative 10x squared, because we don't have an x here, so we're just going to keep the x squared. And then negative 5 times negative 20 is minus 100. So again, our answer, since we have to combine this and this, is going to leave us with negative 8x cubed minus 100. Because plus 10x minus 10x is just going to make that go away. So that's how we simplify expressions. So first we can multiply our polynomial by a monomial, and then we're going to combine the like terms to simplify our expression. Lastly, we're going to see what we do if we have a polynomial on both sides. So now think back to equations. We're going to start with x squared, and then 3 times x is plus 3x. Negative x times x, negative x squared. Negative 4 times negative x is going to give us plus 4x equals 9x minus 16. So we're going to combine our terms. So x squared positive minus x squared is going to make those go away. So we have 7x equals 9x minus 16. Subtract 9x. That gives us negative 2x equals negative 16, right? Going to divide by negative 2. Negative 2. I can't write it over there. I read it over. And that leaves us with x equals 8, right? So all that whole problem, we had this to start with, and when it boiled down to it, we got left with x equals 8. So think back to equations and solving when we have variables on both sides. So now we're just using monomials, polynomials, binomials, trinomials, and we're solving for those first, and then we're just solving them like regular equations by combining like terms, simplifying the expression on each side, and then solving algebraically.